Now, every time you may see me on lens, I'm always wearing my beautiful floral crowns, and that's what we're going to be making in this workshop today. And I'm going to be making a floral crown that goes around your head, opposed to the headband that I've got showing at the moment. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to use 1 cup flour. Baby's breath is what we're going to be working with today. And behind me, what I've written up on the board is the equipment that we will be using. And secateurs is number 1. Number 2, the ribbon that we'll be attaching to the halo in order to secure it onto your head so it doesn't move or fall off. Number 3 is 18 gauge, 24 gauge wire, and when I take that off the board, I'm going to write the graph up on the board ranging from the start 18 gauge wire all the way up to 36 gauge wire, and I'll explain that very shortly as we go on. And parafilm, which is the glue to this whole floral arrangement. So that's what we're going to be using today. Now I'm going to take that off the board and I'm going to write Baby's Breath, and I want to talk about Baby's Breath, the floral gossip part of it. It's one of my favourite flowers, fragrant as well. So hold that thought and let me just write what we're going to be using up on the board.